It was a crash, dash killed more than 100 people. Option B. That. It was a crash that killed more than 100 people. Option C. Which. The car, which he has just bought, is very expensive. Option B. Which. The car which he has just bought is very expensive. Peter dash can compose many pieces of music, sings very well. Option D. Who. Peter, who can compose many pieces of music, sings very well. " 2005 was the year, dash there was a big earthquake in Indonesia. Option B. When. 2005 was the year when there was a big earthquake in Indonesia. There was a storm, dash I had never experienced before. Option C. Which. There was a storm, which I had never experienced before. Do you remember Ms. Sharma? Dash taught US English? Option A. Who. Do you remember Ms. Sharma? Who taught US English? It was a crash, dash killed more than 100 people. Option B. That. It was a crash that killed more than 100 people. Why don't we help the poor? Dash houses collapsed in the earthquake. Option D. Whose. Why don't we help the poor, whose houses collapsed in the earthquake? Blood is a liquid, dash distributes our food and oxygen. Option C. That. Blood is a liquid that distributes our food and oxygen. He is the best teacher, dash received this academic reward from his university. Option A. Who. He is the best teacher, who received this academic reward from his university. His house, for dash he paid $1 lakh, is now worth $1,20,000. Option C. Which, his house, for which he paid $1 lakh, is now worth $1,20,000. The party was full of good teachers, 5 of dash were my professors from Hanoi City. Option B. Whom, the party was full of good teachers, 5 of whom were my professors from Hanoi City. The world's history, dash Professor Alexander teaches, covers all the events of the World Wars I and II. Option D. Which, the world's history, which Professor Alexander teaches, covers all the events of the World Wars I and II. The reason dash he was late is unknown. Option B. Why, the reason why he was late is unknown. The day dash we met was unforgettable. Option A. When, the day when we met was unforgettable. The boy dash I called didn't answer. Option D. Whom, the boy whom I called didn't answer. He is the environmentalist dash we want to talk to. Option C. That he is the environmentalist that we want to talk to. The men and animals dash you saw on TV were from China. Option D. That the men and animals that you saw on TV were from China. How about the shirt dash you wore Saturday night? Option C. That how about the shirt that you wore Saturday night? I have 3 brothers dash are businessmen. Option C, all of whom. I have 3 brothers, all of whom are businessmen. They gave US a lot of information, dash useless. Option B, most of which was. They gave US a lot of information, most of which was useless. Tornadoes, the funnel-shaped storms can suck up anything, dash is in their path. Option A, that. Tornadoes, the funnel-shaped storms can suck up anything that is in their path. The movie dash we watched was interesting. Option A, which. The movie which we watched was interesting. I have a friend, dash lives in Delhi. Option C, who. I have a friend who lives in Delhi. The house dash roof is red is mine. Option D, whose. The house whose roof is red is mine.